What's going on, guys? My name is Daniel. This is my channel. This is my first YouTube video. Here is my Cla250 2018. Straight piped, no tune or anything like that, just small little burbles from factory. Today's video, I'm just gonna be basically showing off the car, showing off how it sounds like, what I've done to it, and then maybe some mods. I'm still thinking about if I want to sell the car or I want to upgrade this one, put a body kit on it, put it on airlift suspension, maybe push around 147 horsepower or maybe even more if possible with stock internals, but I doubt that. Anyway, all the things aside, let's get to the video. Golly. Look at the fat ass booty. I kind of did. Cla250 Formatic. Ain't nobody has the better sounding Cla250 than me. You know, something light. I mean, I kind of want to get a tune, but to me to get a tune, I'd need a downpipe, and I'd probably go a little bit more further than that. But I've been doing research. I've been thinking about either selling the car or I'll get downpipe, basically full bolt-on intake manifold, Valvetronic exhaust, blow-off valve spacer, remove the turbo silencer, and after all that, get the big boy turbo, push maybe around like 347 horsepower just on stock internals, and then just like a tune and all that lovely stuff. Honestly, the Benz looks really dirty, but if you step back so much, it's like I'm stepping up a little bit too far. So I'm thinking of either selling the car and getting basically my dream car, which is a CLS, maybe a 63 or maybe a 550 even. But for cheaper options, I'd go with the 550. If I have a little bit more budget, I'd get the 63. But then a lot of people be telling me the 63 is just like such a big headache. They have a lot of problems, especially with the cooling system too. Overall, nothing else was really bad with it. Come over to the hood over here. If I can get the latch open. It's just a small little 4-cylinder. Luckily for me, and unluckily, I might have to get new motor mounts. Golly, it's blown. Turbo's right there, and the downpipe is right after. You see the CO2 sensor right there, and it'd be pretty easy for me to switch it out for the downpipe. Everything put else aside, today's video, we're gonna be hitting pedestrians. I lied. Zooey mama. We have the interior over here. Got little red accents on the air conditioning vents. Got red accents right here on the paddle shifters. Horrible sound. If I keep the car, I'd change out the steering wheel, change the paddles for the clicky ones. Now I'm gonna be doing some flybys and showing y'all how it kind of sounds like on the road, how it's driving. Let's get to it. We got tweakers out here. That shit make you wanna beat your passenger dick or something. Pause. I just blew through 1,000 like I'm.
You look good, bro. Good, bro. You look good, bro. Look good. Sexy ass.
Don't touch me! Got the little haircut. You know, feeling fresh now, feeling refreshed. Finna get some Chick-fil-A. I be eating out with bro more than girls. Damn. This shit quick. Fuck that shit up. So what's going on? If you made it to the end of this video, I just want to say thank you for watching all the way through it. If possible, if you can do this for me, if you could just press on that subscribe and like button and help me on this journey on this channel to help me grow, I would really appreciate it. I don't know how to do this, so please bear with me. I'm trying to learn how to do this, all this recording, editing. I'm trying to get better at it because I want to make videos, especially like whenever I get any other cars. And I'm gonna be going to drift events, so I'm gonna be having drift event videos. I'm gonna have daily just like car videos, maybe car meets, maybe mods, maybe even a new car, who knows. But basically, if you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and like button and comment if I should keep my car and maybe get a CLS or sell my car and get the big booty CLS. Thank you so much for watching.